that's the answer they drop. Don't fast. This guy can't be sure on the front. Come over. You didn't work on the baby tech, so can't be shining new condition. Be asked question how it does HVAC. Come over. Look at this dripping line. The air conditioner was working inside indoor unit, but the water was sluggish and the water wasn't dropping out. You see how the dripping was sealed. Then what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to change the hose and I'm about to get the dirt inside that place. This is a little bit trick. Come over, let's show it. This trick, it works a lot. So I look for a cane, something that is very flexible. So I will drip it into this spring hose to heat the gutter inside the indoor unit. Once you heat the gutter inside the indoor unit, I will now drag some dirt out of it. Through the process, the dirt that blocked the gutter, that caused the drip to stuck inside, will now be free. They will now be in free flow liquid. So the liquid will not drop out the system. So let's see. See what I'm doing right now. I keep it straight this way, and now put it inside. Now, and what I'm doing, I'm going to trace the dirt inside it. You see what just came out? Let's see, so that's a little bit trick. Back on the baby tech. I got a lot of professional artists involved. Alright, I know first. So that's the channel, keep on the channel, steady on the channel, sleep on the channel, learn from the channel, air from the channel, do trick on the channel. There are a lot of professional artists involved I got for you guys. That's just I just did right. The case I the water just gushed out immediately. I just put it right in the drip line. From the system. So that's what I'm doing today. Just begin. So that's the channel, alright. So now what you're not doing is you not put this to it. Just do this right. To have it clear, that's off it. Let's just try it anymore. Once more. Let's see. You can see that.